Students, welcome to RDJPS Virtual Classroom. Today we'll study Poem 3, Rain on the Roof from book Beehive. Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney. So this poem is about rain on the roof, as it is expressing the wonders of nature and her extraordinary power to heal the mind, body and the soul of human beings, as she soothes the earth with her showers of blessing. So we'll read the poem first and then we'll see the explanation. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look at me as I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So, the first paragraph, the poet says that the stars of the sky are not visible when the dark clouds cover the night sky. He states that the darkness is making him sad and reflective. The rain symbolizes the release of sadness and the ushering in of joy. So, tears are falling softly down onto the surface of the earth. Rains make us get nostalgic as well as joyous. The poet says that he loves to curl up in the comfort of his bed and just relish the wonderful music of the rain as it falls upon the roof of the little cottage. Para second. So the poet senses every sound that is produced as the rain tinkles against the shingles of the roof of his cottage. This brings back wonderful memories into his busy mind that is trying to recollect 1,000 memories of his past. He weaves each of these into a single thread and continue to enjoy the patter of falling rain. Para third. The poet remembers his mother looking down affectionately at him and his siblings as they sleep while having pleasant dreams. His mother would make it a point to see them fast asleep every night, as she knew she would let them sleep until the break of dawn. He remembers his mother looking down on him lovingly as he continues to be in the slumber listening to the rhythmic patter of the rains. So, in the whole poem, the poet is expressing the joy that accompanies the shower that fall upon the earth. The rain announces its arrival by forming dark clouds in the sky along with humidifying the atmosphere. The darkness seems to spread melancholy that is released by the gently weeping rainy tears. But for man, these tears usher in a strange feeling of joy that is provided by the pitter-patter of the rains on the rooftops of the cottage. The rain brings back wonderful memories of childhood, and the poet recollects those moments as he lies in the comfort of his cozy bed and listens to the steady pattern of the rains. At the same time, there are the memories of his mother checking in on him, looking at him fondly and leaving him to sleep in till the break of dawn, and the music that the rain produces while falling upon the shingles continues in the background.